Having trouble with OneDrive synchronization? We've got you covered. This step-by-step guide will walk you through troubleshooting and fixing common sync issues. OneDrive is a powerful cloud storage tool, but sometimes sync problems can occur. Understanding what causes them is the first step to a smooth fix. Let's start with the basics, ensuring your connection is stable and OneDrive is running correctly. First, confirm you are connected to the internet. No connection means no synchronization, so double-check your Wi-Fi or wired connection status. Next, make sure the OneDrive application is actually running on your computer. Look for the cloud icon in your taskbar or notification area. If it seems to be running, a quick restart can often resolve minor hiccups. This is one of the easiest fixes to try first. Simply close the OneDrive application and then reopen it. This forces the sync client to re-establish its connection and often clears temporary errors. If a restart doesn't work, try unlinking and relinking your OneDrive account. This often resolves persistent authentication or configuration issues. Sometimes the problem isn't the connection or the app itself, but your storage capacity or the files you are trying to sync. Ensure your OneDrive cloud storage isn't full. You won't be able to sync new files if you've reached your storage quota. OneDrive has limits on file sizes and certain unsupported characters or file types. Check if any large or unusual files are blocking the sync. If basic checks fail, a more advanced step is resetting the OneDrive client. This should be done if persistent errors keep appearing. To reset the sync client, you typically use a run command. Search for the specific steps online or in the OneDrive support documentation for your operating system. After resetting, OneDrive will resync all your files. This may take some time, but it often resolves deep-seated synchronization problems. If all else fails, ensure your OneDrive application is fully up to date, or consider a clean reinstallation. Check for and install the latest OneDrive updates. Software updates often contain bug fixes for known sync issues. If updating doesn't work, completely uninstall OneDrive and then download and install a fresh copy from the official Microsoft website. You've gone through all the main steps for troubleshooting OneDrive sync issues. To recap, remember to check your internet connection, restart or relink the client, and if necessary, perform a full reset. If issues persist, contact Microsoft support or your IT team for personalized assistance. Happy syncing!